For the repair of the PCB card of TQ122-211 sensor, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we use a 24-volt DC power supply and a multimeter. When we connect the PCB with the power supply, we see that the sensor has as an output 5-volt DC. No further is possible due to the absence of additional units. The same process is repeated and for the other PCB. It is now clear that the PCB card of TQ122-211 sensor is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the client.